Okay, so in the last video we have seen that how we can do the addition of any two 8-bit numbers, not 8-bit but any numbers in different bases. So let us see today how we can do the subtraction of any two numbers which are in any base. Maybe it is in base 2, maybe in base 4, maybe in base 5, maybe in base 8, 10, 16 and so on. Any base system you can do the subtraction. So how we can do this thing, let us see. So suppose let us take a basic example in decimal number systems. Like in decimal number system, suppose a number is 22. You have to subtract 19 or okay, suppose 19 you have to subtract from this 22. How the subtraction happens? Let us see. So here 2 minus 9 is not possible. So what you take? You take a borrow from here. And when you take a borrow from this number to this 2, what it becomes? It becomes 12. So when you take one borrow from here, it adds 10 in this 2. So this 2 becomes 12. Right? This 2 becomes 12 because the base is 10. So 10 is added. So the thing is, whenever you take a borrow, 10 is added. That is the main thing here. So 1 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. And how much remaining here? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is your answer in base 10. Now let us do another example. Let us take an example where you have a number 34. Suppose this number is in base 6. Now you know that in base 6, which are the numbers possible in base 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the numbers possible in base 6. So if I subtract a number in this, let us see, the number is 25. You want to subtract this from this number. What is the answer? Now look at this number here. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So what you will take? You will take a borrow from here. Now when you take a borrow from here, how much it will become? When you take a borrow, one borrow means how much here? 6, because the base is 6. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So answer is 5 here. Now how much remaining is? 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 5. So this is the answer in base 6 when you do the subtraction here. Let us take another example. Let us take an example of an octal number. Suppose an octal number is 24. This is an octal number. Subtract this number from 1, 7. Right? Let us do the subtraction like this. How much the number we will get? 4 minus 7 is not possible. You take a borrow from here. When you take a borrow in this case, how much it will become? You take one borrow is equivalent to 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Generally, now you see, when you are going to do addition, that we do addition normally like we do in decimal numbers. Don't consider like 8 plus 4 is something in octal. What is that in octal? Just do the simple addition. 8 plus 4, 12. So 12, this one becomes 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Here, how much remaining? 0, 5. So it becomes 0, 5. This is in base 8. Now, if you want to prove this, how you are going to prove this? Or how much then 17 plus 5 will be? If I do 17 plus 5, in the last lecture we have seen that 17 plus 5 in base 8. How you can do the addition? 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 we do 7 plus 5, 12. But 12 we cannot write in base 8. Base 8 is only up to 0 to 7. So 12. How we write 12? 8 into 1 plus 4. So this 4 goes here and this 1 is your carry. So 1 plus 1, 2, 24. Same answer you got, right? So this is the way that you can do the subtraction in any base systems. Any base system. So let us take an example. Last example we will take of an hexadecimal number. Let us take an example of hexadecimal number. Suppose the number is A8. A8, that is my hexadecimal. Subtract this number from 8B. Suppose 8B. Now tell me the answer. What is the answer in this case? 8 minus B is not possible directly. So what you will do, you will take a borrow from here. So when you take a borrow is equivalent to how much? 16. So 16 plus 8 is 24. Now 24 minus B. B is how much? B is your 11. 24 minus 11 is, it becomes 13, right? 13. So 13, how much is 13 in hexadecimal? How you will write? A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is D. So here becomes D. Now this one is, because we have taken one borrow from here, this becomes 9 minus 1, 8. So it becomes 1, 8. That's it. Now you can do the subtraction in any base systems. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and put comments. If you have any comments, you can put it in comment section. Further videos I will be adding multiplication, subtraction. Subtraction is this one, so division, multiplication we will do in that case. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.